After the launch of the Nintendo Switch 2, a combination of new, exclusive, and enhanced classics is officially launched. Whether you like gaming on the couch, docked with a TV, or looking to casually game on the go, this upgraded console has a library worth exploring. Let's start with Donkey Kong Bonanza, easily making its place on the list. It's a bold, brilliantly designed game that channels the magic of Super Mario Odyssey, then tosses in underground labyrinths and amazing set pieces. If you've been craving a fresh single-player epic on Switch 2, this is the one. Speaking of Mario, Super Mario Odyssey is also worth a try. It's not a new game, but slight visual upgrades and buttery smooth performance make this adventure feel as nostalgic and fun as ever. Rounding out the nostalgia trip is The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild. Now enhanced for Switch 2, finally feels like the masterpiece it is. While its sequel, Tears of the Kingdom, made smart changes and tweaks to the open exploration of Breath of the Wild, there's still magic to be found in the first of the series. But we're not here talking about the Nintendo staples, only because Cyberpunk 2077 Ultimate Edition arrives surprisingly polished. It includes all updates and DLC, with clever Switch 2 features like touchscreen navigation and gyro aiming. And at last, if you're looking for something stealthy, then Hitman World of Assassination Signature Edition should be the top choice for you. It comes with massive content, fun Nintendo-themed outfits, and perfect handheld pacing. The Switch 2's future is bright, but it's not like the present is anything else. Whether you're revisiting Legends or diving into new worlds, this lineup shows that Nintendo's handheld console hybrid isn't just an upgrade, it's a full-on level up. Which one's your favorite in the list? Tell us in the comments, hit that like button, and yes, subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon for more tech updates.